Okay, Miss Helly Cat. Let's take your hands out so we can see you turn over. Let's see it. Come on, let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, you're getting tired. You just did it a couple times. Let's see it. Come on. Let's see it. Let's see it. You might have to take your hands out of your mouth. Ready? Let's take your hand out. Now let's see it. Let's see a roll. Let's see a big roll. Let's see a big roll. Come on, Helly Cat. Come on, let's see. Let's see your new trick. Let's see your new trick.
Is Abby shaking her hand?
Is she what?
Are you shaking her? Shaking her hand?
Yeah.
Is he shaking her hand?
Shaking her hand?
No, choking.
What does choking her hand mean?
No choking.
No choking.
No. Is she rubbing her hands?
Yep. Here you go. Let's see it, Miss Helly Cat. Let's see it. That's one big body to move. Yay! Good girl! You did it! You did it!
Is she rubbing her hands?
Yeah. Let's come over here. Look. Good job! Good job! Yay! Hey, I'm so proud of myself. Can you tell Helly you're proud of her?
I'm so proud of you.